Hey everyone! Today we're diving deep into Mitsubishi's latest plug-in hybrid SUV, and there's more here than meets the eye. Mitsubishi has packed this crossover with a clever powertrain combining a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine with two electric motors. Together, they deliver 248 horsepower and a substantial 332 pound-feet of torque. In testing, this family hauler surprised us by sprinting to 60 in just 6.6 seconds, significantly quicker than its non-hybrid sibling, and impressive for a vehicle in this class. Let's talk range. The Outlander plug-in hybrid packs a 16.8 kilowatt-hour battery delivering 38 miles of pure electric driving. That's enough to handle most daily commutes without burning a drop of gas. The Toyota RAV4 Prime goes slightly further with 42 miles, but the Outlander still beats many competitors in this space. When running on gas alone, the fuel economy isn't exceptional. We're looking at 26 mpg combined, which is merely adequate for the segment. During our highway test at 75 miles per hour, we managed 25 mpg in hybrid mode and squeezed out 24 miles of pure electric range. Step inside, and this is where the Outlander plug-in hybrid really shines. Mitsubishi has seriously upped their game for 2025. The interior feels properly premium, with quality materials that finally match the price tag. You're getting a crisp 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster in higher trims, and the 9-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto works beautifully. For 2025, Mitsubishi has added some nice extras. Every trim now gets heated front seats, and if you step up to the Cell trim, you're treated to a heated steering wheel and a massive panoramic sunroof. The first two rows are genuinely spacious with proper adult comfort. The third row is best suited for children, but having the option sets it apart from most competitors in the plug-in hybrid space. One quirk worth mentioning is the charging setup. The Outlander plug-in hybrid uses a CHAdeMO fast charging port, which is becoming increasingly rare. Home charging takes about 6.5 hours on a level 2 charger, which isn't bad for overnight charging. Mitsubishi's warranty coverage remains impressive. We're talking 5 years or 60,000 miles for the limited warranty, and an impressive 10 years or 100,000 miles for both powertrain and hybrid components. Starting at $42,145, the 2025 Outlander plug-in hybrid makes a compelling case for itself. It's not the most exciting drive. The handling is competent, but uninspiring. What it does offer is a comfortable, well-equipped family hauler, with enough electric range for daily duties, and the flexibility to handle longer trips. Is it perfect? No. The hybrid fuel economy could be better, and that CHAdeMO port might be limiting down the road, but if you're looking for a comfortable, practical plug-in hybrid SUV with 3 rows and a strong warranty, the Outlander plug-in hybrid deserves a spot on your shortlist. Just don't expect it to deliver the kind of thrills that made Mitsubishi famous in its evolution days. For a balanced blend of practicality, comfort, and efficiency, the 2025 Mitsubishi Outlander plug-in hybrid earns a solid 7.5 out of 10 in our books. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.